Okay guys, so the rain is continuously flowing up and so many stuffs are happening. So let us land back to home. And okay, so everything is gonna happen in just a single moment. And what is in the okay, I don't know exactly, but definitely I will try. If the sun will come, so I will try to shoot it and collect the memories, and that's all the stuff that I do. Okay. That's all I do. So and the Galnado shows begins. Galnado, Galnado. So that show begins. So um I'm left with nothing to speak, that what next I speak. And um, I have no idea that what should be spoken or not. So so we have to end it up here, guys, and see you all always in the next video.